Hi guys. The original chili ice cream level 2. Tikman natin. Sarap. Sarap. Yan. Language. How does it taste?
Okay.
Tastes good.
Tastes like milk with peanut.
Spicy.
No, not at all. Only on the first bite.
Okay. Okay.
Nag-subside na yung ano eh. Yung feeling.